In the silence before the storm, legends don't announce themselves, they arrive. What happens when a machine built for survival is pushed beyond the edge of possibility? Tonight, we uncover a story where endurance meets the future in ways no one expected. For decades, the Defender has stood as a symbol of resilience, a vehicle shaped not by chance, but by terrain. From remote expeditions to humanitarian missions, its identity was forged in places where roads simply don't exist. Under the banner of Land Rover, the Defender evolved from a utilitarian icon into a technological platform, yet it never abandoned its core promise: go anywhere, endure anything. Now, with its entry into the brutal theater of the Dakar Rally, the stakes are no longer about capability alone. They're about redefining what performance means in the harshest environment on Earth. And just when it feels like we understand its purpose, a deeper transformation begins to emerge. Then, in a moment charged with anticipation, the silhouette finally steps into the light. The Dakar-ready Defender stands wide and purposeful, every surface sculpted for a single mission, conquering distance without compromise. There's a quiet intensity in the air, the kind that only appears when engineering ambition meets human emotion. It doesn't just look capable, it feels inevitable. Design here is not decoration, it's survival translated into form. The proportions are deliberate, balancing aerodynamic efficiency with the rugged geometry required for unpredictable terrain. Signature lighting elements echo the Defender lineage, yet sharper edges and functional vents reveal a new philosophy, one where aesthetics follow endurance. Compared to its predecessors, the evolution is unmistakable. The spirit remains, but the execution feels like it belongs to a different era. There's a certain beauty in machinery that knows exactly why it exists. Beneath the surface, the powertrain is built for sustained dominance, delivering constant, controlled energy across the harshest terrain. Its edge comes from three pillars: predictive terrain intelligence, a reinforced lightweight structure, and real-time telemetry that turns data into strategy. Heat, fatigue, and unpredictability become calculated variables, creating a driving experience that feels less reactive and more instinctive, as if the machine anticipates the world before it happens. Step inside, and the brutality of the outside world fades into a cockpit designed for clarity and control. Every surface, every display, every tactile response serves a purpose, reducing distraction while amplifying connection. Digital interfaces flow seamlessly across the dashboard, delivering navigation, vehicle diagnostics, and race data in a language drivers can read at a glance. The implications extend far beyond a single race. In a segment where innovation moves at relentless speed, the Defender's Dakar program becomes a laboratory shaping the future of off-road mobility. Against rivals pushing electrification, lightweight materials, and AI-assisted dynamics, this machine positions itself not as a reaction, but as a statement. Market expectations shift when a brand proves capability under the most extreme scrutiny. Because when performance is validated in the harshest arena, credibility follows everywhere else. Looking ahead, the Defender Dakar project feels less like a destination and more like a blueprint, a vision of how endurance engineering will shape the next generation of performance vehicles. As technology advances and sustainability becomes inseparable from speed, machines like this will define a new balance between power and responsibility. Maybe the real story isn't about winning a race at all. Maybe it's about proving how far human ingenuity can go when limits are treated as invitations. And as the horizon stretches endlessly forward, one truth remains: progress is most meaningful when it carries its legacy with it. If this journey sparked your curiosity, we'd love to hear your perspective. Where do you see the future of endurance performance heading next? Join the conversation, and if you want more cinematic explorations like this, consider subscribing and becoming part of the story.